Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix block screen with cursor only in Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's begin. The very first step that you need to do is you need to press Ctrl Shift and Escape key together. Again, it is Ctrl Shift and Escape key together to open Task Manager. Here you need to go with Run New Task, and in this small window, please type for Explorer .exe. Again, it is explorer.exe, then click on OK. So once you have the click on it, mostly it will fix the problem for you. Okay, so if you have successfully fixed the problem, then good. But let's see if it doesn't, then we need to move on to our next step. So our next step is I'll be just guiding you on how. Just have to press Ctrl Alt and Delete keys together. Again, it is Control Alt and Delete keys together, and there at the bottom of your right side of the screen, there would be a power icon there. Just have to select on it, okay, and then you need to restart your computer. So once you have restarted your computer, there you would be able to see a blue screen. Well, you would be able to see an option called choose an option. Just have to go with troubleshoot, okay? And under the troubleshoot, you would be able to see two options, which are reset this PC and advanced options. Just have to go with advanced options. And there under the advanced options, go with start up repair, okay? And under the start, I'm aligning the startup repair, you would be able to see an option there, uninstall updates. I mean, you go with advanced options, okay? Then here you need to go with, you can see there an option called startup repair. So aligning that or beside that, you can see an option uninstall updates. Just have to click on it. And the moment you click on uninstall updates, you would be able to choose an option. You need to go with uninstall the latest quality update, then it will ask you to confirm your action. Just have to click on confirm, or you can go with uninstall the latest quality update to confirm. Okay, so once you have uninstalled that, just have to open your computer again and check if your problem has been fixed. Okay, so that's it. If you think this video helps, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.